In the southern tale of dreaming, where the gum trees touch the sky, with a didgeridoo's old lament, the desert burning dry. Families huddle close for warmth through drought's relentless toll, from the sleeping sandy shores to where the mountains hold their soul. Rugged bays and cliffs stand tall, guardians of the sea. The whispers of the ancestors in each rustling eucalyptus tree. Through teeming rains the rivers roar, carving paths anew. There's a pride in every heart in this land's bold, fierce hue. Oh, Australia, our southern land, with endless skies and open hand, we heed the call of earth and wave. In unity we stand brave. Children run on golden sands where the breakers kiss their feet. Stories pass from old to young in the evening's tempered heat. In the outback silent nights where ancient spirits play, we hear the cries of history in every wind that sways. From the red expanse of desert to the valleys lush and green, every soul who walks this land, part of the timeless scene. The rugged bays and soaring peaks, in each we find our way. In the song of our great nation, it's forever we shall stay. Oh, Australia, our southern land, with endless skies and open hand, we heed the call of earth and wave. In unity we stand brave. We stand brave. We stand brave. Let them run on golden sands with endless skies and open hand, we heed the call of earth and wave. In unity we stand brave. 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 We stand brave.